Numbers. Where's fall, right? 72 our average high. We're about 80 degrees tomorrow, similar on Saturday, and it was just knocked down a notch as we go into Sunday at 77 degrees. But it's the Northeast that's hot, it's the Southeast that's hot, it's the Midwest that's hot as well, Maria.
You get the heat, right? It's
right.
Also having a warmer than average fall, the Midwest. We got the chance to speak with one of our personal weather station owners earlier this evening from Dublin, Ohio, near Columbus.
Most noticeable, at least from personal experience, is the fall leaf colors. We had trees back in February that started to show some blossoms, and now getting into the fall, there are some trees that have dropped leaves without really changing color much. Others remain very green. So it does seem like with temperatures that have been consistently in the 70s, and we've had at least 3 80-degree days in October, we're seeing some impact just with the fall colors for sure, and the drier weather as well, but definitely correlation between temperature and what I seem to indicate to be a very bland kind of fall.
Sort of the gist for a lot of people, I think, too. You know, we so much think about rain or no rain, but the heat versus the cold can do a number on the color as well. So take a look at tomorrow. We have Rapid City, South Dakota, 83 degrees. I remember, was it last weekend, just talking about snow not that far off from Rapid City. Here you are, average high more in line with June 26. Marquette, Michigan, we saw that beautiful fall foliage shot into the 70s, but here too, feeling more like early summer. So tomorrow, against across the whole region from the northern plains, Pierre, 77 degrees. You start to see the hint of that front trying to work its way through, but by Saturday, it's not through Cincinnati. 77
La Rosa,
degrees.
by the way.
Yes.
Look at your screen. Isn't it Circleville, Ohio, like near and dear to your heart?
It is.
They get the pumpkin show going on right now.
That's right. That's right. And it's not a pumpkin festival or a fiesta. It is a pumpkin show. It is a fantastic event. It goes through on Saturday. I'm actually going to be live there.
Are
on
you?
Saturday. I am.
Oh, fun.
I am, and I'm ready with my T-shirt that says "Happiness is a warm pumpkin donut." I'm going to eat my weight in pumpkin donuts, folks. Watch it live.
That is the place to be.
So they're enjoying it, right? It is a little off-season temperature-wise.
Look at the top of the screen. See the giant pumpkins up there? Is that giant pumpkin? Is that a float? What is that?
Those are the big pumpkins. There's a big contest for that every year. And when I visited there last year, Mike, and the heat can really do a number on trying to grow those pumpkins, because they really can be very susceptible to the heat. And if there's any kind of rotting, they can't submit their pumpkins for the contest. Yeah, so it will be interesting to see what kind of harvest they have there. But tens of thousands of people enjoying that, and the warmth too, Mike.
Have fun there. That should be a great time. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about some of the heat that we'll end up seeing in the Midwest, and hopefully your pumpkins are safe and not rotted. But take a look at some of the conditions that we'll end up seeing that could actually fuel severe weather. We got warm, humid air now that infiltrates